We'll guide you through how to remove the navigation bar on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can see at the bottom here at the moment, I've got the navigation bar, and for whatever reason, you no longer want it. I've just always had it and I want to try not having it for a bit. So make sure you watch this full guide as we're going to guide you through how it's done. Don't skip ahead, as otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So to get started, we need to go and open up the settings. So you can go and swipe across here, and we need to go and find settings. You can always go and tap search at the top and go and type in settings. Then what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for display and go and tap there. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and find navigation bar. You can manage the home, back and recent buttons or use gestures for more screen space. So we can remove that and go and have more screen space. So tap there and then you can see navigation type. So we've got either buttons or swipe. So if we go and use swipe gestures, wait a moment, you're going to go and find these are going to go and go. And instead we're going to be able to go and swipe. As you can see, have now gone. And now you just go and swipe like that to go back, and you go and swipe up like this to go and close out of an app. And that's it. You can go and see they've now gone. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos.